Hi everybody, welcome to Techidream Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about CSS HSL colors. That is, HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. In CSS, a color can be specified using hue, saturation, and lightness in the form HSL. Hue, saturation, lightness. Hue is a degree on the color wheel from 0 to 360, which is red, 0 or 360, which is red, 120 is green, 240 is blue. Then that is for the hue. But for the saturation is a percentage value, means a shades of gray, and that is 100% full color. And we also have lightness, which is also a percentage of 0, which is black, and 50% it is neither light or black, and 100% which is white. I hope you understand. So now let's proceed. We have experiment with HSL values. Experiments. So we have experiment with HSL values. Experiments by mixing HSL values below. We have our hue, the set is 0, saturation 100%, our lightness, which is 50%. If you can, our lightness, which is 50. If you can see here now, we have HSL 0, 100%, 50%. That is, we want our saturation should be 100%. According to the first example we saw, our saturation is a percentage value of 0, which means a shade of gray, and 100% means full color. So in this place, 100% saturation is giving us our full color. And if you can remember, we mentioned it that 0 in this place, 0 to 3, either 0 or 360 is red. So I want you to understand. So that is giving us red, and it is giving us our full color of red. Then our lightness is 50%. Let's go back so you can understand. Lightness is a percentage which is black. So 50% is neither light or black or dark. That is, it is in the middle. And our total 100% is white. Now let's proceed. So as you can see, blue is 240, 100%, 50. 147 is green. If you play around the numbers, you get it better. So in this saturation, it says saturation can be described as the intensity of a color. That is, 100% is pure color, no shades of gray at all. 50% is 50% gray, but can still see the colors. And we have 0%, which is completely gray. You can no longer see the colors. Let's play around it. Let's create another example. We'll also create another p tag. But we'll say HLS value, HLS values. Then we'll call this one HLS. HLS. Let's give this one RGB. So RGB. Instead of value, we can just say RGB. RGB. And it will work. So now let's come here. We'll say dot HLS. So in this case, we'll say background color. We want our background color to be HLS. Hue, saturation, and light. What would we say? We can give this 0, and we'll say 100%, 100%. This will give us red, and we can say our lightness should be 50%. 50%. This is giving us red, and let's give our color. Let's give our color to be white. Let's give it width of 50%. 50%. As you can see, let's check what we have. Can you see it has given us, we are dealing with HLS values. Now let's proceed. Let's play around it. It said 250. 250 is blue. So 250 is blue. Now it has given us blue. 147 is green. 147 is green. 147 is light green. But at this point, it is not giving us the full green. Now let's check here. What did it tell us here? It says 120 is green. So now let's give it 120. 147 is giving us anything higher. You can also come here, and there's a way you can walk around it. Okay, this is for it. Let's walk around this. No, we don't want 50. We want 100%. I want to show you something. 100% and 50. So now, where's that dot? 100%. So now let me give this one 120. 120. Oh, this 1000 is a problem. Now it has given us the green that we want. Now let's check it. As you can see, it has given us a green value. So that is how HLX value works. Let's proceed to the next one. Okay, we've talked about this one. Let's move. So we have our saturation example, which is HSL, that is 0, which is red, 100% is giving us our full color. Now you see the difference. Now it's still giving us red though, but our saturation is 80%. So it has reduced it. It has reduced the full color it gave to us, and we are still maintaining our 50% here. The more it keeps reducing, the more the red is fading off. I hope you can see 20% to 0%. 0% is total. It's not giving us any value. I hope you understand. Now, let's move to the lightning. It says the lightness of a color can be described as how much light you can give to a color, where 0 means no light, that is black. 50 means 50% light, neither dark or light, and 100% means full lightness, white. So now let's see. We have 0 is red. We gave our saturation 100%, but our lightness is 0. We gave it 25%. It's giving us our color of black. 50%. 75% is giving us our color, full color, 90%. But when you give it 100%, it will give us full lightness. So we cannot have 0, 100, 100. No. This one must not be 100, but we can have 90. 90 is like what we give it the full highest color, lighting to our color. I hope you understand that. Let's proceed. And we also have shades of gray. Okay, before I move, let's just do one example of this. Now, let's go back to this. Let's give our color, let's give this one 0. Now, if we give it 100%, what are you saying? It's giving us white. But if we give it 90%, and we give this 50, it has given us full white. Let's check it out. Okay, we cannot even see anything. But now, if we should give it, let's give it a 0, 190. Now we have 0, okay, now, so it gave us full white. So now let's try to bring back our red. In this aspect, we have 0. We would give this one 50%. As you can see, we've given it 50%, so it has given us our full red. Where do we have it there? This is what we just got. 150%. I hope you understand. Now let's check our example. It has given us our full red. I hope you understand how HSL value works. That is saturation. We've worked on saturation, we've worked on lighting. So now let's proceed to shades of gray. That is, shades of gray are often defined by settling the hue and saturation to 0 and adjusting the lightness from 0% to 100% to get a darker / lighter shade. As you can see, we have 0024, 0047, 0071, and 0094, which in this aspect, there is nothing. So it says HSLA values. HSLA colors values are an extension of HSL color values with the alpha channel, which specifies the opacity of a color, and HSLA color value is specified with hue, saturation, light, and alpha. The alpha parameter is a number between 0.0 and fully transparent and 1.0 no transparency at all. So we have our experiment. Our hue is 0, saturation is 100%. Okay, let's play around this. 0, 100%, 50%, 0.5. 0, 100%, 50%, 0, 100%, 50%, and 0.5. And mind you, don't forget to add a here. This is how it works. As you can see, our red has changed its color. From this, we'll be having, as you can see, it has given us transparency. That's what alpha is about. I hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Techisrael Academy. See you next time. Bye.